Wuben has sent over their X5 so that we can take a look at it. The X5 is a very interesting flashlight with a lot of features, so I'm kind of excited to take a look at it. Inside the box, you're going to find the flashlight itself, the lanyard, an Allen key, and the manual. The lanyard, interesting enough, also doubles as a charging cable, a USB-C to C charging cable, and there is something to be said about always having a charge cable on hand. I do really like that feature. There is nothing normal looking about this flashlight. In fact, it looks a little bit futuristic. I really do like the look. There is also an LED indicator light, and then there is a rolling dial to be able to select what feature you want to use with the flashlight. On the tail of the flashlight are two more buttons, and looking at the front of the flashlight, you can see the LED configuration that it has. There is a battery compartment on the tail, and there's a lock and an unlock feature so that you don't accidentally release that battery. When you release the battery, you are going to find a proprietary battery inside. Now, everybody in this channel knows that I hate proprietary stuff. However, this particular flashlight will run on AAA batteries, and that is something I do like, because that means if for some reason in the future you can't get a battery, you can just use regular AAA batteries. There is also a beefy clip on the side that can be removed and placed on the other side if you wanted to. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, well, this will take care of that particular problem. Operation is actually probably simpler than you might be imagining. The dial is basically the mode of operation, and the two buttons on the back, well, they are power buttons. The first button operates the power of the flashlight. Now, this is a momentary and a clickable button. So a hard click will turn it on, and a soft click will go through modes of brightness. The button on the bottom controls the laser power. This does have a built-in green laser, and the way that button works is that is on or off, and it is a bright green laser. Let's go ahead and turn on the flashlight. We're going to make sure the dial is set to the flashlight, and it is. And then if we press the button on the back, that turns the flashlight on. Now, right now, the flashlight is in eco mode. This is only 1 lumen, but this will last 200 hours on runtime. So it's basically to be used as an emergency light in a situation where you know you might not be able to charge this flashlight anytime soon. 200 hours is a long time. A quick tap of that power button brings it up to 50 lumens. This will run for 15 hours on the charged battery. Medium mode is 150 lumens. It'll run for 5 hours. High mode is 350 lumens, and it'll run for 2 hours. And turbo mode is about 1300 lumens, and it will last about a minute. It'll start dimming itself back down to 400, and that'll last for 1.5 hours. And when the flashlight is turned on under any brightness, if you double tap the button back here, it'll go into seizure mode. To access UV mode, it's really simple. You take the dial on the side, you turn it to UV, and you press the power button on the back. And now you have a UV light. The UV light is rated for 2 watts, and its runtime on the battery is about 2 hours. Now, something I did find interesting is if you do run the flashlight on AAA batteries, well, those runtimes are actually very similar. Really, the only thing that you're sacrificing is the brightness potential of turbo mode. I will put a chart on the screen so you can take a look at those values. Now I'm in a relatively dark room, and I'm going to turn the flashlight on low. And as you can see around pretty decently on low. Let's go ahead and turn it to high. It's performing very well on high. You could definitely take a look around in a dark room or even be outside and be able to see very well with the flashlight in high mode. Now let's go ahead and turn it on turbo mode. And as you can see, turbo mode is no joke. It is extremely bright, and it's definitely very impressive for the small flashlight that it is. So what are my final thoughts of the Wuben X5? Well, I think it's very interesting. I like the way it's designed. It's pretty unique in many ways. I love the fact that it's a combo. It does have a UV light, it does have a flashlight, and it has a very bright green pointing laser. I am glad to see that that proprietary battery can be ditched and used with AAA batteries. That just kind of guarantees this flashlight is going to be around for a very long time. I will put a link down below in case you're interested. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.